Now this, my friends, is how we start a morning on Sophisticated Lady in the San Blas Islands. It's bordering on ridiculous. Look at that. That's one of the little tiny keys of Chichimi here in the western San Blas Islands, where we just arrived last night. Absolutely spectacular. And the whole area is just full of little tiny islands like this. Check this out. You see over there, and just scan around behind the boat, and there's more, and more, and more, and more. It's such a beautiful area. I've never really seen anything like it, not in the BVIs or in the Grenadines. It's spectacular. I can't wait to see it by real daylight. So I'm just getting up, doing morning rituals, and haven't had it in a while, but today means Bailey's and coffee, sitting in front of Chichimi. Look at that. Isn't that cute as hell? Beautiful. Yum. And it's early morning. It's about 6:30. The sun is just coming up over the tree line there. Just hear the birds chirping away on the background. And the waves crashing on the reef. Total peace. No industry, no city, no smog, no smoke, no nothing. Just perfect islands and perfectly clear water. Oh, and there goes our first cruiser taking off for the morning. Somebody's just pulled anchor and heading out. Good morning. And off they go to next destination, which is what we'll be doing soon too. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. Not sure. Just gonna let the day flow and see what happens, but it looks like a nice place to hang out and chill for a day. Uh-oh, we have incoming.
Probably.
Yeah. Take your hands off the wheel, man.
Try to take pictures and drive a dinghy.
Doesn't work so good. Man, I don't know what they charge people to camp here, but it's a lot friggin' better and nicer than any campground I've ever been at, that's for sure. What a view. I just can't imagine waking up to this every day. And I think even the Kuna huts and everything that they rent out are not expensive at all, but to be able to just throw up your own tent on a beach like this and wake up to this view every day, what? It's crazy. The king of bread making on a boat, Jesse Reed. Sir Jesse Reed.
Well, you can knight me after, depending on how good the pizza is.
Does that look like it'll fit on the barbecue, Alcino?
What? This? Oh yeah. Yeah?
Yeah?
Half of it for me though. Going to medium, bro. It is, but this thing is full of oil. Look, it catch on fire.
What are you guys fucking up with?
You guys,
What the hell?
don't put this shit on me.
Burn your fingers?
No. It's just a piece, right? Oh, fuck.
Where'd the fire come from?
Look at that, Rick.
Ouch.
Do I need to go make more dough? Now we got half a piece of it. You see, it's perfect now.
Blender is not big enough to take on everything.
Drinks are coming, I can hear it.
You know what? I'll make it on my barbecue next time. I think this barbecue is great, but you had that chicken grease. No, it was oil.
He's putting it back in. Let's burn it some more.
This is definitely a Vimeo video. Sorry for the video.
What was that?
You see what we do?
You just put it in to take a picture.
Oh yeah.
Oh, so we could do a serving. Oh, there you go. Ooh, yum.
God. See this?
See what?
This.
Ooh.
Is it too dark to see?
Yeah.
Need light?
Not working with the full blender. Stop.
Oh, Alcino, what are you doing? Alcino, you're killing it. What are you, the fuck? I'm removing it from the damn foil. Without the help. This is the ultimate fail.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
It's like eating a Dorito.